head divisions and departments, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all to Islamabad for the International Maritime Sustainability Conference and Exhibition. We are particularly honored to host the Secretary General of the IMO, who is visiting Pakistan the first time. Our heartfelt congratulations to you, Mr. Secretary General. You were elected last year, but you assumed the responsibility from January this year. And as you announced, and I take it as a commitment, that it will not be your first visit to Pakistan, and you will continue to visit us, and we will be working together for the maritime world. Your presence, Excellency, underscores our shared commitment to advancing global maritime cooperation, economic prosperity, and environmental sustainability. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today's conference is both timely and crucial. Oceans, with an economic value of around $24 trillion US, are vital for our survival and development. They support 80% of the global trade and play a central role in achieving the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. A reliance on oceans for environmental services, food, trade, transportation, and energy highlights the need for effective ocean governance and sustainable practices. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as a maritime nation, Pakistan views the Arabian Sea as the fifth neighbor and a vital component of its economic and strategic paradigm. Pakistan's unique geopolitical and geographical position also offers immense potential for becoming a regional transshipment hub, facilitating trade for landlocked Central Asian countries. Our exclusively economic zone offers untapped potential in sectors such as coastal tourism, aquaculture, biotechnology, energy, and health. From fisheries and maritime trade to exploring offshore resources such as gas and petroleum, Pakistan's blue economy can become a driving force for the national growth and resilience. Excellencies, despite its natural advantage, Pakistan's share, as my colleague Maritime Minister said, in the blue economy is unfortunately only 0.25%. To address this, the Special Investment Facilitation Council has been prioritized, and the blue economy is the main core challenge they are handling with for the purpose of as a key development pillar. Under SIFC, efforts are underway to modernize our fisheries and shipbreaking sector with advanced technologies and practices. The government has removed sale tax on processing plants, fishery seeds and feed, and is offering land for marine export processing plants. Ladies and gentlemen, our port sector offers significant investment and opportunities with several terminals operated by international groups, which have been highlighted by my colleague, Federal Secretary Maritime. It just last year, when under a fast-track G2G process, the AD ports was given, the lease, and with a commitment of certain undertaking for the investment in the port. Taking full advantage of our geopolitical location, we are transforming our ports into centers of regional